Morning YouTube. Today we are doing a firmware update on the JB4. We are going to then be doing a back-end flash later on when my fiance gets back home so I can use her truck as a battery tender. But as you saw in the opening video, we already did a baseline run of 0 to 100 on map 2 on the JB4 right now. So we're going to be updating that and then later on doing the back-end flash, and then we'll do another 0 to 100, same exact spot. Right now I am going to run the JB4 cable, the BMS cable, through the DME box down into the glove compartment so that way I have access to it from the interior. Some point later on I might do the Bluetooth instead, or I might see about just rerouting the cable to where it's going to be more beneficial for me. But that's where we're at right now. Let's go ahead and get the hood popped, get the box opened up, and let's get this thing fished through so we can update the firmware. Now, for anybody new to BMWs, or if you've never done this before and you own one of these, although if you've ever done any modifications to your own car, especially an N54, you should have done this a few times already. But you remove this weather stripping here. You remove these, you just turn these little screws here, you pop this thing off. That's your air box. Take that one off. You don't have to remove the other side because we're only dealing with this side, but you'll undo that. You'll slide this clip that way, pull that off. Then there's a couple more of these onto this panel, and then this whole thing just comes off. So these plastic bolts are just 13. Like I said, you just need to turn it. And this whole thing just comes off. I've got this thing zip tied on here because the screws for it were broken. So I'll just end up laying this on the side. And this is your cabin filter. Looks like I need to replace it. You got this weather shroud here. Comes out. Go ahead and take out some of these leaves that are in here. Clean it up just a little bit. There's another 13 here. And then again, you've got to kind of lift up on this tab, pull that off, and there's another 13 right here, which doesn't look like it was on mine from the last time I did this. Oh, this one in this top corner. All you gotta do is turn them, and then this whole thing pops right out. And then there is the top of the DME. And you can see there's these Torx bits all the way around it. And then there's the unlock at the back. Alright, so it's a T30 Torx bit for these screws. There's 5 of them. I was going to do this yesterday, but I was putting together a wood shelf and I shot a nail through the shelf and through my finger. Not sure if you'll be able to see any of that or not, but it came in here and went out there. Yeah, that hurt like a son of a bitch. Unlock it, and you pull it up, and that is what the DME box looks like. We're going to end up fishing the cable down through here. There's a little hole in grommet. Alright, so I got the flash on my camera. Right down there, that square, that's where we're going to be fishing that cable through. Now, some people are like, oh, you got to remove all this stuff. Well, I mean, the hole's right here on this side. So, I mean, the most you'd have to remove would be this relay box, which I'm not quite sure how to remove it. Don't really want to break anything, you know. so we'll just kind of leave it. See if I can't get this fished in there. The cat's trying to help out. He's really just blocking my way. Move! Move, buddy. And he doesn't like to go. Alright, so it's in there. But what are you doing in my car? Anyways, when it comes out, it's gonna come out right there next to that wiring loom. Alright guys, got the wire in there, got the top back on. Of course, plugged it into the JB4, screwed it in. Had to find like a little baby screwdriver to secure it to the JB4 box. Some tiny screws, but got that all put back on. We'll put the rest of the cowling back up, and then we will go update. Alright guys, we are officially flashing the firmware update. I'm using my old Galaxy S6 Plus Edge to do that. It's just a spare phone that I keep around, because why the hell not? But as you can see, it's got 486 blocks to write. Currently coming up on 100, and we just started, so this isn't taking very long at all. This is update 32.14. Very excited to get this portion done. I don't know why I didn't. I've had that BMS cable for a while, and I have no idea why I never plugged it in, because the stuff you can see on the display screen is very useful, very informative, if I can speak properly. But that, and I'm looking forward to going to this back-end flash, because everyone says it's very good, so that'll be the next step. If you want a more kind of technical version of what I'm doing here, check out BMW Fanatic. He's got a great couple of videos on how to update firmware and then how to do the back-end flash. I'm actually kind of following his methodology, even though he has a 3 series and I have a 5 series, but it's overall the same. So keep watching. That number's just a climbing. Almost done. Just got done writing all the blocks. It's rebooting. Update complete. We'll just hit back on the phone here. We'll go to user adjustment. Scroll down here. Firmware version 32.14.4 or 2. Awesome. JB4 has now been updated to the latest firmware version.